Hello students. Now after completing the chapter number 2nd, here we have starting a new chapter, pair of linear equation in two variables. But it's before we have learned about in previous standard linear equation in one variable. Who says linear equation? Students, if a power of any variable highest power is 1, then it's said to be linear equation. Here first example is given that 3x plus 2 equal to 0. It's a what type of linear equation in one variable? Here x is a variable and its highest power is 1 and it's called linear pair of equation. Linear equation in one variable. Now student, afterward here point is linear equation in two variable. So here example 3x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. It's a pair of linear equation in two variable. Here x and y both variables and 2 is constant term, 3 is the multiple of x, 4 is the coefficient of y and 2 is the constant term. So it's a standard form ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now student, here it's compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Then value of a is 3, value of b is 4 and value of c is 2. In pair of linear equation, a not equals to 0 and b not equals to 0. So here pair of linear equation, that means two equation, first is ax plus by plus c, but two equation, that's why first equation we have given a1x b1y plus c1 and second equation here we write a2x b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Now it's compare with ax plus by plus c. So given that it's related to equations, if we here find out their solution, then given that two equation, so 2x plus 3y plus c equals to 0 and 3x plus 4y plus 8 equals to 0. So it's a compare both the equation and method of solve the pair of linear equation in two variables. Here two method, graphical method and algebraic method. So first we have seen in graphical method, there are 3 points in the graphical method. Here given that two equation, it's related. First is 2x plus 3y plus 4 equals to 0 and second equation is 3x plus 4y plus 9 equals to 0. So a1 upon a2, then value is 2 upon 3 and b1 upon b2, so its value is 3 upon 4. So both the value are not same. So here we write 2 upon 3 not equals to 3 upon 4. Now see, if a upon 2 and b upon 2 both are not equal, then their graphical situation is intersecting lines. दोनों जो इक्वेशन है, दोनों का हम जो ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे, वो दोनों की जो लाइन है वो कैसे होगी? इंटरसेक्शन लाइन होगी, दोनों की लाइन इंटरसेक्शन होगी कोई भी पॉइंट पे, एंड देयर सॉल्यूशन इज ओनली one solution and it's a consistent. What type of solution? Consistent and only one solution. Now Second, here given again two equation and it's compare with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So first equation is 2x plus 3y plus 4 equals to 0 and second equation is 4x plus 6y plus 8 equals to 0. Now first coefficient of x is value of a1 upon a2, it's a 2 upon 4, and 3 upon 6 its value of b1 upon b2, and 4 upon 8 then its value of c1 upon c2. So we check 2 upon 4, that means what answers come? 1 upon 2. 3 upon 6, that means also 1 upon 2, and 4 upon 8, then also answers come 1 upon 2. So here fractions are same, all the a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, all the fractions are become same. So their solution is coincident lines, that means all the points lies on a one line, and infinitely many solution, and their situation graph is consistent. Okay student. Next method, graphical method, third point, if the given two equation, if we compare their a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and it's a c1 upon c2, then what happen? See, first a1 upon a2 means 3 upon 6, b1 upon b2 2 upon 4 and c1 upon c2 value is 4 upon 9. So that answer become 1 upon 2, here also 1 upon 2, but here not 1 upon 2. So that means 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 both are equal, that means a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 both are same, but minus 4 upon 9 its value of c1 upon c2, so it's not equals to a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2. So that's why their graphical representation is parallel lines. This situation, if we draw their graph, then both the lines are parallel lines. दोनों जो इक्वेशन है, दोनों की जो लाइन है वो पैरेलल लाइन्स होगी, एंड देयर इज नो सॉल्यूशन, उसमें कोई सॉल्यूशन हमें नहीं मिल रहा है, दैट मीन्स इनकंसिस्टेंस.